baby, I'm too strong for you. All the amateur green, baby, I don't play the keys. I'm too strong for you. Check it out. You still with us? This is the last song, y'all. So live it up now, man, and forget about it. Did you guys see the good? Did you guys watch the Grammys? Nobody watched it? It's because I wasn't in them this year. That's why you didn't watch them, right? I don't blame you. The Grammys called, actually, Joan, and they said, this is the last time they're leaving me out. Break it down. They said, man, it was the poorest attended Grammy ceremony ever because Jason Ritchie wasn't there. I said I was afraid that might happen. I was afraid that might happen. But I did have a nice Grammy experience because at about 3 in the morning, one of Bobby Rush's dancers. If you guys seen Bobby Rush, you guys know Bobby Rush? Nobody knows Bobby Rush. Let me explain it to you. There's no way to explain it to you, but let me try. He's got these dancers that got these, they got big butts. They got real big butts, and they do a booty thing. Yeah. It's real entertaining, you know what I mean? And they're very good. But Bobby Rush won a Grammy, man, which was a victory for the world, man. It was a victory for the world that Bobby Rush won a Grammy. If y'all don't know, that's okay. Now you know that a good thing happened in the world, okay? Yeah, a good thing happened. But I'll tell you, man, not to take anything away from Bobby, but one of his dancers, she called me at 3 in the morning and she said, Jason, ever since you gave me the proper advice on how to shake that thing, that's when Bobby's career started blowing the fuck up. I said, baby, stick with me. I'll make you a star. I'll make you a star. That's what I said. And then she asked me this question, which I didn't really understand at the time. But check it out. She said, Jason, what kind of cake you like? She said, what kind of cake you like, baby? I said, well, I'm gonna bake it right. Kill the mommy and pizza night. Tell me what kind of cake you like, Sammy. Sammy. On the bass, from New Orleans, Louisiana. Put your hands together for Andy Curtis. You got another cable to go down and get Joan? Can you go get her? That's me. been doing a lot of solo harmonica stuff tonight, haven't I? Like more than usual, where I just play by myself. You want to know why? I'm too strong for y'all. I'm too strong for you. I frankly sound better with no band at all, because they cannot predict my harmonic genius. I can't be limited by 7th and 9th chords any longer, man. I need to expand into the outer horizons. 4/4 time is useless to me, man. I'm operating on a space-time continuum that hasn't even been invented yet. It's like some Tesla, ancient Egyptians, Gaia, fucking alien type shit. You know what I mean, man? Like, I'm transcending shit that was already transcended. I'm future primitive, man. And let me just show you what that sounds like. Cut it out for a minute, cut out for a minute. Special thanks to Blues Brothers.
All right, Jason Ricci and the Bad Times.